Welcome to my channel, Dr. Munshi Nasser, Skill Tone. How are you, my dear learners? In this video, I'm going to share which AI is the best AI to use for your research and day-to-day work. Not only that, but also in this particular era, we need to know how AI works. Also, AI-related methodology like machine learning, neural network, regression analysis, we need to know those methodology in order to apply in your subject such as humanities, social science, engineering, life science. Without the knowledge of AI and the application of cutting edge methodology, it is very hard to publish in a very good journal nowadays. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. My dear learners, first of all, I would like to introduce you a new platform called The Elements of AI by University of Helsinki. This platform is completely free and I want my learners, all the researchers should explore this opportunity. There are almost 2 million people already attached to this platform and there are so many things you can learn from this free platform. The most important thing that I would love to see is introducing AI, building AI. Nowadays, agentic AI is the future of our research. So, you need to know how agentic AI works and how you can deploy agentic AI in your research as your research assistant. So, in order to know that, you can use this platform to know in more details. For example, AI literacy for your staff in 2000 in 60 minutes, elements of AI for LMS, and also the most important thing is that you can go and sign up for free all the courses. For example, what is AI? Like philosophy of AI related fields, AI problem solving. This is immensely important for your teaching and also for your problem solving in order to apply it in your research methodology. Now, real world application, the bias rule, this is one of the important thing that I would like to see because I am in favor of Bayesian methodology, and nowadays Bayesian methodology is the core foundation of the machine learning, and if you apply this methodology in your research, your publication will be very fast in a good Q1, Q2 journals. So this is one of the important place where you can learn it very quickly. Then we have machine learning. There are regression analysis, the nearest neighbors classifier, the types of machine learning. These all things you can learn very easily from this particular AI platform. Not only this, you can also see the neural networks, how neural networks work and implications of the AI. So you can see chapter 1 to chapter 6. If you can study this in 2 hours, 3 hours time, you can have a firm grip of all the methodology, which is especially for the Bayesian methodology, for the machine learning methodology. Now, moreover, in order to use which AI is the best to today's day-to-day life, in my opinion, there are several AIs. One AI called the Gemini AI, which is good for your day-to-day communication, transaction, writing email, and helping you to find out some information. Manos AI, in my opinion, is one of the best AI as a agentic AI to help you as a research assistant. Okay, but the drawbacks of the Manos AI is it has some of credits limitation. At some point of time, it says that the credits are already finished. You cannot use it, you have to upgrade it. So Manos AI is a good as an agentic AI. It can help you as your research assistant. You can use it. I recommend it. One of the finest AI is called the Grok AI. Most of the cases you can use it for free, but in order to apply Grok AI to design your research methodology in Word format, PPT format, it is difficult for Grok, but it can help you to design AI for in a LaTeX format of your research, to design it in a LaTeX format in order to submit in a good journal. So Grok AI is also a very good option. ChatGPT, by all means, you can use it it for day-to-day problem solving issues, but it has some limitations. It cannot produce Word document, Excel document, or it has some limitations for analyzing the data, because you have to upgrade it in order to get those sort of facilities. Free version of ChatGPT always says that you already reach your limit, so you cannot use it more. The finest AI at this moment is called the Claude. Claude, by far the best AI that I use and I have been using for a long time. In my opinion, for free version of Claude, it can give you the Word format, PPT format, and also PDF format, LaTeX format outcome of your research very easily. So in my opinion, Claude, among those available good AI platform, is the best one. And in order to understand how Claude work and how you apply your methodology like machine learning and Bayesian technology in order to build up your research methodology strongly and firmly to produce in a good publication journal article, in order to publish in a good journal, there is no way you can skip this platform called the Elements of AI. So these Elements of AI, with the suggestion of my AI based tools, I hope it is useful for you to understand the AI application and use it in your research, and always you can build up a good research paper in order to publish in a good journal in no time. Thank you so much, my dear learners. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.